We're standing at the fish farm that the county might let us use for the path of Citrus County, and you can see that it's a pretty big property that's fenced in. It has some electric coming to it. It's about 12 acres fenced in, and you can see one of the ponds. I'm going to zoom in on it, and one of those ponds will hold 1 million gallons. It has some lock systems, and there's a central pond that holds about 3 million gallons, so it's about 10 million gallons altogether. We're being told it's about 30 acres altogether, but just fenced in is 12 acres. And you can see the tree line, and then it has a couple of pump houses, and you can see those houses over there on the side. And there was 3 pumps here, and the 2 sheds go with the property. You can also see that it is vastly overgrown, and it's a maintenance nightmare for the county. And that may be in our benefit, and one of the reasons why they're going to let us use it. We're standing at our 10-acre farm that the Church of the Nazarene started letting us use about 5 years ago. And it's been quite a learning process. We started with our regular garden outside of the shelter, and we had some success, and then we found out what it was like to be real farmers when we transferred over here and we started doing things the farming way. We started with no implements, but you'll see that we started collecting tractors and implements. There's a couple of tractors over there, water tanks. We use a water tank, trailers. We have a pickup truck now, all that stuff. And I'm standing in a patch of about 3,000 squash plants. And you'll see that the squash is coming in very well. We weren't sure for a while if we were going to get any squash, but they're coming in. You'll see them all growing down there. And further down the field, we've had some success with cucumbers on the other corner. There's pole beans out here. There's zucchini right next to me. There's different kinds of beans, peppers. Some of it is under sprinkler, which is further over where the hoops are. And all those hoops over there is about 3,000 cherry tomato plants. And there's a little bit of this and that thrown in. Cantaloupe, jalapeno peppers, habaneros. Then we have an RV for storage over there, the well. It's where we do some of the work with the mulching. So it gives you an idea of how big the property really is and what we're doing here. And then you can also see some dirt where we've even got a little bit of blank space where we didn't even complete it, and this is going to feed a lot of people. Here's another angle of the farm. I'm looking at the cherry tomatoes and trying to give you a broad expanse of what the farm looks like. And over here on our tarp where the sprinklers are, we have more tomatoes in buckets that we're playing around with. We're going to be transporting. There's 1,500 blueberry plants down that are getting ready to be transported from the 1 gallons to the 15-gallon buckets. And it's right at springtime where everything is starting to come in. If we could get close enough, you'll see that, let's see if we can zoom in on it. And there you go. Cherry tomatoes coming in. And blueberries are coming in also.